We think the summit should have a bit more focus on the world of space. There's been a lot of innovation in the world of space in the last few years, amazing level of innovation, driven by a number of things. One is the reusable launchers that are now coming up that are going to change the economics and the way access to space is achieved. The second is the way satellites are manufactured. So we're moving away from an era where it takes 3 years to manufacture one satellite to manufacturing 4 per day based on automation and other manufacturing techniques that are coming up. So the whole sector is going to be changed dramatically because of those two things, in addition to things like virtualization, cloud computing, and the compression. Those are techniques that will allow us to produce products and services that are much different than they look today. That's one. The other one is the youth involvement in the space sector. First of all, there's more interest from the VC or the venture capital societies and companies around the world in the space sector. Facebook, Google, all those companies, new companies, young companies are all interested in the space sector because it allows them to access their customers wherever they are and anywhere and around the globe, things that the terrestrial world cannot give them today. So that's bringing a lot of young interest in satellites. And we at Thuraya, for example, we have a company, only 3% of the company is under the age of 50. We have our senior management team, the average age is 39 years old. So it's becoming a young sector. It's bringing a lot of innovation into it as a result. And those are areas that could be more of a focus on the Global Aerospace Summit. Today, the awareness of the need for satellites is increasing, especially with increasing man-made disasters and natural disasters. That will continue, unfortunately, to increase as a demand. But second is that people get used to now technologies everywhere they are. You know, you get off of a plane, you go on a boat, everywhere you are, you expect to have connectivity. You expect to be able to send an email, send a message, send a video, talk on the phone with someone. And when terrestrial doesn't exist, satellite is the only option. So people understand that, and that is driving the demand. There's a lot of innovation, and Dr. Halawi talked today about how the suborbital space tourism could in the future be used to transport people from point A to point B because it's a lot more efficient and faster than what you do today.